In this video, you will be shown general rules of sticking plastic parts. Depending on the piping line, all the parts you want to glue should be prepared in advance. For gluing, you will need UPVC adhesive, UPVC cleaner, brush, several sheets of fabrics, and a sandpaper. First of all, it is highly recommended to work in a gloves, as we will work with chemicals which can harm your arms. So it is much better to use gloves. In order to stick two parts, we will have to go through 6 separated steps. Step number 1. Take two parts, one with bigger diameter, the second one with a smaller diameter, and insert the second one into the first one in order to measure the area which will be upgraded. So as you see, this area will be upgraded. Step number 2. Using the sandpaper, remove the glance surface and turn it into matte. The same operation should be applied to the internal part of the fitting with bigger diameter. Step number 3. Using the sheet of fabrics and UPVC cleaner, we have to remove all the litter and grease from the surfaces, as even minimum litter can cause problems later. Now both parts are ready for being sticked. Step number 4. We are applying adhesive to both surfaces. Here are represented 2 different sizes, but I will need the small one. Normally every single adhesive has its own brush inside, but it's more convenient for pieces with small diameter. But when you apply adhesive to the parts with big diameter, it is much more convenient to use separated brush. So by very accurate movements, we are applying adhesive to the external part of one piece. And internal of the second. It is very important to work quickly, as adhesive can get dry and you will not get needed results. Step number 5. Insert one piece into another and turn it to 25 degrees, whether to left or right. Final step. Using the piece of sheet, remove the rest of adhesive.